Hey guys, my name is Aaron Krish and in this video I am going to show you 5 tips for better mobile photography. Then if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's get started. First tip, always clean your smartphone camera's lens. You can just clean with the help of clean cloth or apply a drop of water, then just clean it. Do not use any chemicals which will damage your camera's lens. Get portrait mode photos. Always move closer to the object, then just focus on it. Capture the image, you will get a nice background blurred photo. You can see an example right in the screen now. Get fancy flashlight. Just cut out a piece of balloon. Then place near your camera's flashlight. Use a cello tap and paste it. Then you will get a colorful flashlight in your camera. Get light photos. You can just use an LED light and connect it with a battery. Place near your smartphone camera. Then just adjust it up. You will get a nice pictures. You can see some examples right in the screen now. Get Bluristic images. You just need to purchase this app called Bluristic. I will leave a link in the description box below. It only costs 230 Indian rupees. After your purchase, then just open it up. You will see an interface like this. Just focus on the object. Long press on the camera icon on the right corner. Then just move your phone to left and right. You will get a nice realistic picture with your smartphone. Then that's all for this video guys. If you liked it, click the like button. If you dislike it, click the dislike button. Then I will see you in the next one.